Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best glass canister that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research and I try to list them based on price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Home Essentials high-quality glass chalkboard jars. The Home Essentials glass jars are premium quality products that keep food and ingredients safe and fresh. The heavy-duty glass construction is durable, strong, which ensures years of use without experiencing stains and breakages due to storing hot or cold food. Once the jars are filled with content, the perfectly fitting lids keep food secured and prevents contaminations. Apart from keeping food and ingredients, the jars are great options for decoration purposes. With different capacities, these jars are great options when it comes to keeping your food safe. They are useful primarily in places where people use coffee, tea leaves and other products that need more care from atmospheric exposure. Unlike other cans that need label sticking, these come with natural ones. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the HomEquip 5-piece airtight glass canister set. With the ability to store almost anything in the kitchen, these airtight glass canisters by HomEquip are great choices. Boasting improved design, the jars are flawlessly crafted to offer proper storage as well as elegance. They are suitable for a range of products involved in baking and cooking like pasta, salt, tea leaves, and cereals. Fitted with perfectly fitting lids, these containers are superb and keeps everything safe and free from oxidation or humidity absorptions. In fact, lids have silicone gaskets and lock to keep everything inside free from air. For instant retrieval of product in need, the jars come with chalkboards to facilitate easy labeling. This gives the users the ability to stock different products and enjoy easy identification. Also, the marker is great for marking the jars. Also, the glass is super clear to keep the content easily recognizable. At number 3, we have the Brabantia stackable glass storage containers. The Brabantia glass canisters are ideal and sleek option to have in any kitchen. Their premium design and large size give them the ability to store food efficiently. Whether it's products like tea or coffee that needs airtight containers, these jars are superb. The set comes with 3 cans with capacities of 10, 20 and 34 ounces. Made of toughened glass, these glass jars are reliable and durable in all kitchen environments. The ease of storing these containers is outstanding. They come in a stackable style which ensures you can easily place them in your fridge or cabinet without any inconvenience. With stylish and airtight lids, keeping food in these containers perfectly keep everything fresh for a long time. With jars and lids being dishwasher safe, they are great in enabling simple cleaning without needing specialized cleaning solutions. At number 2, we have the Oggi 4-piece square, glass canister set. Oggi is another brand that is dedicated to keeping your kitchen looking awesome and perfectly functioning. Among the many products they make, these glass canisters are superb and worth having. They are safe and inert due to glass construction and won't cause any staining. Despite the glass body, these cans are strong and highly durable and reliable. Available in a set of 4 varying sizes, it is possible to store different products. There is no need to label like with other jars. These have clear walls which allow easy pick of needed content. For excellent storage in cabinets or refrigerators, the jars are square-shaped, hence no strains. The screw stainless steel lids are exceptional in keeping the content safe and airtight. When cleaning, there are no stresses as the glass is easy to clean with a damp cloth. And finally, at number 1, we have the Godinger round clear glass airtight lids chalkboard canister. The Godinger set of 3 canisters brings all the convenience to your home. They are not like the ordinary plastic of acrylic jars. These are glass-made which render them superb in their performance. They are large with ample capacity, hence ideal for a variety of functions in the house. Whether it's for sugar, coffee and other common ducts in the kitchen, with these bottles it's possible to get the best experience. Additionally, the high-quality glass is super clear and allows perfect clarity. Unlike other glass jars, these are enhanced with chalkboards. Thus, even when storing look-alike products, it becomes easy to differentiate through labeling. Besides the chalkboards, bonus chalks are provided together with the jars to enable easy marking for quick identification. The glass lids are easy to lift and helps in keeping the original taste, unlike on wood and plastic lids. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.